Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. So here we are with another unboxing, and also guys we are coming up with a new segment of quick unboxing. So please let us know if you like that type of segment. So let's check it out the unboxing and let's get started. So over here we have VIVO Z1 PRO, which was launched recently under 1500 price segment. So let's just get rid of the plastic and see what's inside. By the time we are unboxing the phone, you can check our website as we are coming up with new different kinds of tech blogs on our website electrofun.co.in. Also, if you like our content, please do subscribe us and like this video for more such upcoming videos. Also press the bell icon. So as we are unboxing it, you can see the packaging from the Vivo itself, as it has been branding as a PUBG mobile gaming phone over here. You can see at left and right side. And at the back you can see some specification of the phone. Also it has been powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 712. So let's just move inside and see what's inside the box. So guys, there are multiple phones coming under 1500 price segment. So Vivo has just launched its phone Z1 Pro with Qualcomm Snapdragon 712. Over here we have 4GB 64GB Sonic black color variant. There are multiple variant slots and you can find the buying description link in the description box below. So after unboxing it, you can see over here, there is another box with Vivo branding over here. So let's check that box. Inside that box, we get some warranty information and usage guides of the phone, along with some specification. Also, we get a transparent plastic case with the camera there and some more buttons on the left and right side. There's nothing inside it. Now coming back to the phone, just keeping it aside, going further in, you can see there is SIM ejector tool over here. Also you can see the Apple AirPod style earphones by Vivo has been given in the box. Also the charger which we get over here is a 18-watt fast charger. So that's a nice thing to include in the box. But there's a little bummer as Vivo has provided micro USB cable type B instead of USB type C cable, as you can see over here. Now moving on to the device. You can see there is nothing written on the plastic. There's a simple thing of Google Assistant. So Vivo has integrated some Google Assistant smart button on this phone as we unwrap the phone. So as you can see, it is a basic glass body phone, but it is not glass. It is kind of a plastic feeling. And by the time we are booting the device, you can check our newly launched website electrofun.co.in for more such technical blogs and posts. So by the time it is getting started, let's get a quick overview. At the right hand side you can see there are power buttons and volume rockers along with it. At the top you get nothing at the top. At the left hand side you get a SIM ejector tool, which is not a hybrid, it is a 3-slot SIM tool along with memory card expansion of 256GB with Google Assistant smart button. Moving to the bottom we get 3.5mm headphone jack along with the microphone with USB type B port and the speaker wheels over here. So coming back to the display, it is 6.53 inch Full HD plus Punchole LCD display. The resolution at the front is 1080 by 2340 pixels with the aspect ratio of 19.5:9. As you can see clearly over here, there is no notch. There is a punch hole camera over here at the top left side. Also the earpiece is integrated at the edge of the top phone, also along with some sensors over here. So let's just set up this phone. By the time we are setting up the phone, if you like our content, please do subscribe us. As you can see, the device has now been loaded and the displays look mesmerizing with the punch hole camera. You can't hardly feel any difference over here as the wallpaper provided by the Vivo default wallpaper just put some blackish shade over here, which makes it nice over here. So now moving to the back, this phone has got a glass type of back with fingerprint sensor mounted at the back. Along with it has got 3 camera. After Samsung Galaxy M30, Vivo has now put triple camera setup in under 15,000 price segment. So over here we get 16 megapixel main primary camera along with 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor camera for portrait effect. Also you get dual LED flash with single tone. So that's a nice thing. Vivo is integrated with triple camera setup. At the front you get 32 megapixel in display selfie camera which can take great photos of yourself. Also it has included the AI effect at the front. So you can see the Vivo has included Funtouch OS itself. Vivo has integrated its own OS in the device along with which is based on Android 9.0 Pie. So moving to the battery segment, we get 5000 mAh battery which is supported by 18 watt fast charger given in the box that can withstand day-to-day life. So at first glance the phone looks great. It gets hold in the hand in a very proper position. Also it is a best phone as of now in $15 price segment compared to other phones getting launched. So guys, it's a best buy if you are looking for a phone with a new type of display and a great camera functionality. So if you like this video, please do like our video,